Emma is at a phone repair shop.
I dropped my phone and cracked the screen.
She explains how it happened.
It slipped out of my hand on the stairs.
The technician asks what happened. What happened? Emma wants to know about the screen.
I'd like to know if the screen can be replaced.
Daniel supports Emma.
Good idea.
They decide to handle the repair.
Let's deal with it now.
Emma gets ready.
Okay, I think I am ready.
Daniel offers to come with her.
Do you want me to come with you?
Emma accepts the help.
Yes, please.
The technician welcomes them. Hi. How can I help you? Emma repeats the phone problem.
I dropped my phone and cracked the screen.
She describes the fall.
It slipped out of my hand on the stairs.
The technician checks the screen. Is the touch screen still working? Emma describes the damaged corner.
Mostly, but the bottom corner doesn't respond well.
The technician asks about water. Has the phone been exposed to water? Emma answers clearly.
No, it was only dropped.
The technician explains the repair. The technician checks the screen and battery. Emma asks about the price.
How much would the repair cost?
The technician prepares an estimate. The technician gives a price estimate before work begins. Emma understands the estimate.
Okay, so I understand what I need to do.
The technician agrees. Exactly. Emma needs the phone later. Emma needs the phone later that afternoon. She asks about the repair time.
Can you fix it? How much and how long?
The shop checks its parts. The parts are available today. The technician offers same-day pickup. Same-day pickup is available. Daniel accepts the option.
That sounds reasonable.
Emma accepts the repair.
Okay, let's do that.
The technician starts the work. The repair ticket is ready. The technician promises to handle it. Sure. I'll take care of it. Emma asks if anything else is needed.
Is there anything else I need to do?
The technician offers more help. I'll let you know if anything else is needed. Emma receives a pickup receipt. Emma agrees to the repair and receives a pickup receipt. Emma checks the final plan.
So we are all set.
The technician confirms the plan. Yes, you are all set. Emma asks what to remember.
Is there anything I should remember?
The technician gives useful advice. Back up important data and keep the repair receipt. Emma thanks the technician.
Thank you for your help.
The technician answers politely. You are welcome. Emma feels better after the repair.
How do you feel now?
Daniel answers.
Much better.
Emma reflects on the lesson.
I actually used a lot of useful English today.
The lesson becomes real-life practice. Real-life practice. The lesson reviews the key phrases. Let's review the key phrases. A customer reports a cracked screen.
I cracked my screen.
A customer reports a touchscreen problem.
The touchscreen is not working properly.
A customer asks about price.
How much will the repair cost?
A customer asks about same-day repair.
Could it be ready today?
A customer asks about pickup.
When should I come back?
A customer reports a charging problem. Your phone won't charge. Now it is your turn. What phone problem could you explain in English? The phone repair lesson is complete. Practice these phrases out loud.